Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a Matco bit set. It's a 30-piece set. That's the part number right there, Matco. And here's the set. It's in this little box. You can fit it on your hand. You can carry it on your pocket or something if you need to. And it comes with Torx, security Torx, regular Torx, and you got other different bits in here. Phillips, and here's one of them. So you can put a 1/4-inch socket into this if you need to. And then we got security Torx right here. It goes up to T40 and security because they have the little hole in there. That's a 40, and this is a 30 right here. And the smallest it goes, it'll be a 10, and it'll be the same for the regular Torx. The highest it goes, it's 40, T40, and the smallest will be T10, right there. And then you got all these other ones. These Allen heads, and all of them are marked right here. They have what they are. And there's the Matco bit set. Here's the part number again.